If you're a fan of passive income streams, such as dividend stocks or selling options like I am, you're going to want to hear about this. Did you know that you can automatically and passively earn interest on the shares you already own? With the Webull app, you can allow your shares to be loaned out and Webull will pay you interest on a monthly basis. Here on my small account, you can see that I've already collected around $17 worth of interest in the past year. This program is called the Stock Lending Program. And in this video, I'll show you how to enroll and how much you can expect to make on your shares. And if you don't have Webull yet, but this interests you, please use my referral links below. They have mega bonuses going on, and I think right now they're giving out 15 free shares. I currently use Webull for my personal Roth IRA. Well, enough with the fluff, let's get into it. Similar to enrolling in options, you need to enable this program, which can be done by going into your account's profile. In the current version of Webull, this is done by clicking on the Detail button on your account summary. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see a navigation button for trading access. Go ahead and click on that, and select the Stock Lending Income Program. And if it's not enabled yet, you should have a button here that says Enable or Enter Program. Once you're enabled, you will start to collect daily interest on the shares that were automatically loaned out. The reports here can be expanded to see more detail on which stocks were loaned out and the quantity of each. Once a month, Webull will deposit the collected interest as cash into your account. This is shown in the Interest Receipts tab. My favorite part about this program is that you do not need to have a large account to participate. You need to own just at least one full share. And while in this program, there are no restrictions on your shares. You can still sell them, you can still trade covered options on them, and you'll still receive dividends on them. It's automatic passive income. And you could also calculate how much income you'll receive. As an example, the daily interest earned is going to be the numbers of shares that are on loan, multiplied by the stock price times the annual interest rate divided by 360 for that daily rate times 15%. So you might be asking, what's the harm or risk in doing this? Well, you only get daily interest if your shares are being loaned out, meaning somebody is wanting to borrow them. Even though this is done automatically, not all shares have a high borrowing rate. So depending on your portfolio, you may only have a couple shares that are eligible. So take that into consideration if you're wanting this to be a steady stream of passive income. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to let me know by actually hitting the like button. And if you like the content I produce, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying hi.